Users on Pro, Team, or Enterprise plans can use the File Sync feature to automatically send files uploaded on their forms to OneDrive, and that includes shared workspaces and SharePoint sites. This eliminates the need for third-party integrations to manage those file transfers to your cloud storage. Once connected, any file submitted through a file upload field is automatically sent to your storage account when an entry is created or updated without manual steps. Each file transfer does contribute to your organization's API usage, so to optimize efficiency, only new or updated files are sent, and any files that have already been synced to the storage provider are not transferred again. To sync your Forms files to OneDrive, you need to be an organization administrator or an organization owner. But once the connection is established, form-level administrators can use the feature on their forms. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up. To begin, open the build page of your form, click on your File Upload field, and then enable Sync Files to Cloud Storage in the field settings. If you have multiple file upload fields on your form, you'll only need to do this once. Later on, you can add or remove the specific file upload fields you want to send to OneDrive. Now select OneDrive from the window that appears. You can sync with only one cloud storage provider per form, so if you wanted to sync files to Google Drive later on another form, that would be possible. Choose the account you'd like to connect to, follow the remaining prompts, and then a setup window will appear where you'll choose how your files are stored. First, you'll select your connected folder. This is the main folder in OneDrive where all of your synced files will go. You can select an existing folder or create a new folder and then come back here to complete the setup. Next, set up your folder path. This controls how your files are organized into subfolders, so it's helpful to think about your folder structure ahead of time. The labels used on your folder are based on your field labels. And if you include a /, you can create folders inside of folders, so use that intentionally to organize your files. For repeating sections, it's helpful when each item, like each entry, child, or submission, has its own unique name. After you determine how you want to structure your file path, choose your file name. You can keep the original file name of the uploaded file, or create a custom name using information from the entry. Finally, select which file upload fields you want to sync. If there are any fields you don't want included, you can simply uncheck them here. Once you've configured these settings, click Save, and then save your form, and all of your files will start syncing automatically. The integration is now available across your organization and can be connected to other forms without re-authenticating. If you want to sync files for entries submitted before the integration was set up, go to the Entries page and select those older entries. Then click Actions and Update. This will send those files to your connected storage just like new submissions. And if you happen to select entries that have already been sent, you don't have to worry, those files won't be uploaded again. Only new files are sent, so you're not using more API requests than necessary. You can check the status of synced files at any time in the entry activity log. Organization administrators can manage the file sync connections by going to the Organization settings and then clicking on the Integrations tab. There you can see which forms are using each connection, update the default connected folder, or disconnect the integration. If you disconnect the integration, it will stop syncing files for all forms that use it, but any files that were already sent will remain in your storage. If you ever need to review changes or troubleshoot an issue, you can also check your organization's audit log to see exactly which actions were taken. If you'd like to stop syncing a field, just turn off the sync option for that field. New files from that point forward won't be sent to your storage, but any files that were already synced will stay where they are. That's all I'm going to cover in this video, but you can find more information in our user guides, and if you have any questions, you can reach us directly by submitting a support request.